Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about partial fractions. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use partial fractions. So I will put about 8 over s plus number 2 bs plus c over s squared plus number 4. Because this is about the power number 2, so on numerator we need to reduce the power by number 1. That's why we have s, and later that we reduce to s to the power of number 0 in here. That's why we have c. Now we need to do common denominator. So this one will multiply by this one, and this one will multiply by s plus number 2. And now we need to expand this one. And now we need to arrange based on the terms of s. About s where we have a plus b. About s we have 2b plus c. About the numbers we have 4a plus 2c. Now we need to compare coefficients. We have number 3, so a plus b equals to number 3. We don't have s, so this one equals to number 0, and this one equals to number 2. And now we create the system of equations. And now we need to find the solutions of ABC. So this is about ABC. So I will put this one goal here. So A that is about 7 over 4. B that is about 5 over 4. C that is about negative 5 over number 2. And now we can put like this. The integration of this one, we have 7 over 4. Fn of the absolute value of s plus number 2. The integration of this one, we have 1 over 2 Fn of the absolute value of s squared plus number 4. And the last one, that is about 1 over 2 octane of s over number 2. So number 2 in here, that's about number 2 from here. And I will put about C. This is the end. Thank you for watching.